Small channel, listen up. What if I told you that your channel could explode without spending a single dime on YouTube ads? I'm talking about real growth, real traction, and finally getting your videos in front of the right people. And the best part is, it is all something you can start doing today. So stick with me to the very end because I am going to show you the exact method that is helping small channels blow up right now, including the same method that helped my channel too. The very first method small YouTubers are doing right now is connecting with their audience in the comment section. Yes, let's start with something super simple that many small creators are ignoring right now. Comment section. Yes, I'm serious. Yes, I am very, very serious. Your comment section is a pure gold. Here is why. Because the people who comment on your videos are usually your most loyal fans. And the cool part is when you reply and interact with them, YouTube actually starts noticing your engagement. Now, take for example now, when I started replying to every single comment, especially the big creators' videos, even the small creators, my videos started getting more impressions, and it wasn't luck. People saw me being real and talking to them, and they started watching longer, subscribing, and even sharing my content. This is what every small YouTubers wants on their channel. So let me ask you, are you just scrolling past your comments or are you really talking to your audience? Now, start having real conversation in the comment section, be it yours or other creators. Don't be too big that maybe you don't want to comment in people's comments. Learn to ask questions. Learn to reply people's comments. If you know any answer, try to reply them. What did you think about these tips? Or which one should I make next? Yes, try to interact with your audience. You know, people love to be involved in everything they are doing on this YouTube. Audience love you to put them in their mind. So start replying because it really helped me, and that is why I am making this video. The second thing you will start doing right now is using your community post to spark interaction. Yes, let's talk about the community tab YouTube provided for you. A lot of small creators ignore this, but it is like having a mini social media inside YouTube platform. You can post your posts, your questions, or just fun updates to your audience, or even a sneak peek of your next video, just like how I am doing every single time I am uploading on my channel. And here is the magic. Every interaction on this post tells YouTube, hey, people care about these creators and this creator also care about these people. I could remember I once posted a simple poll last year December asking my audience, what would you want YouTube to give you by 2026? This is the poll here. I got over 10 responses and 8 votes a day. Then I uploaded my next video. YouTube pushed it more because it already saw the traction my community has already gathered. So ask yourself, are you just uploading videos like that and hoping for the best for miracle to fall down? Or are you using all the tools YouTube gives you to spark interaction? Your community tab can actually boost your channel faster than uploading 10 videos silently and hoping they will go viral. Now, start today and start utilizing that your community post. Start making your community post lively. Then the third one is, now let's get real about numbers. There is something I called the 100 video rule. Now this is the truth. YouTube doesn't usually blow up your channel with just 1 to 5 videos you uploaded on your channel. The algorithm needs enough data to understand your content and audience. I know you might be asking, hey, he has not posted up to 100 videos, but I am almost getting there, and you already know my channel is getting traction, and that comes with uploading consistently. Yes, that means a lot of videos is required. On my other small channel, Grow with Dara, after hitting around 50 videos on that channel, I started noticing real traction. Views started doubling, subscribers started coming in, and engagement went up. Now, by the time I upload the 100th video, the growth was completely different from when I started. Yes, and that is exact thing I am implementing on this very channel. I know it sounds like a whole lot, like to make 100 videos. And yes, it is. It is not easy. But the 100 video rule isn't about spamming. Yes, you don't need to post any valueless video just to make up the 100 video. It is about learning, evolving, and showing YouTube that you are serious about creating value for your audience. Now, a quick question. How many videos have you uploaded on your channel? Are you already on the path to your 100th video, or are you stopping too soon anytime? Now that will take us to the fourth thing that is blowing up small channels. And if you hear about this one, I think you are even going to grab this one more than every other thing I have mentioned. Finally, let's talk about consistent evolution. Yes, you can't just upload the same type of video over and over and expect growth forever. You need to observe, you need to learn, you need to improve with each video. Here's what I did that helped this particular channel, Learn with Dara, to grow. I usually check my YouTube studio analytics every week, looking at the watch time, the audience retention, and which videos were performing better. Then I adapt. Maybe the thumbnail was boring or the hook wasn't strong enough to retain my audience. Then each small changes I started making added up over time. And here is a personal story I want to share you. My first 8 videos were okay. Yes, if you go down to my channel, my first video was good, but nothing amazing. By the time I uploaded my 28th video, I started experimenting with new hooks and formats, and the growth started accelerating. Yes, now small improvements I constantly applied to my channel, this particular channel, lead to massive changes, which this video is one of the changes and why you are watching me right now. So you need to ask yourself, are you evolving, or are you just repeating the same formula you are using, hoping it works forever? So try new things. Okay, learn to connect with your audience in the comment section. Don't feel too big. Talk to them. Ask questions, build relationship, use your community tab to spark interaction, post, question, updates, make your audience feel involved, that you have them in your mind. Consistency builds data and growth. And always learn to adapt with each video. If you start applying these 4 methods today, I promise you start seeing your small channel gain traction just like mine. Listen, growth doesn't happen overnight, but with real effort and this strategy that I just mentioned, your channel can explode just like mine did. Now, here's what I want you to do. Go to your comment section, pick one comment you haven't replied to, and start a real conversation. And if you find this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification so you don't miss out the next strategy that could blow up your channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Dara, and on this channel I help new and small YouTubers grow on their channel. So thank you for sticking to this very end of this video. I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.